Tired of participants hijacking your Webex meetings with unwanted video or chat? I know the feeling. You're trying to lead a presentation and suddenly someone's sharing their screen or typing in the middle of your flow. But here's the good news. You can lock down permissions in just seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the meeting options panel and which toggles to flip for full control. So let's start by signing into your Webex account. Go ahead and log in like you normally would. This is the same account you use to schedule and host your meetings. Now, start or join a meeting as the host. If you're already in a meeting, that's fine too. Just make sure you're the one who scheduled it or that you have host privileges. Once you're inside, give it a second to load fully. All right, now look at the bottom of your screen for the meeting controls. You'll see the usual buttons for mute, video, and share. But what you want is that button with 3 dots. It's labeled More Options. Click that. From the menu that pops up, choose Meeting Options. This is where the magic happens. The panel might take a moment to open, but once it does, you'll see a section labeled Allow for Everyone. This is your main control center. Here you can toggle things like starting video, chat, sending reactions, and even raising hands. If you want to keep things quiet, just flip those switches off. I often turn off chat when I'm teaching a class so people don't get distracted. But there's more. Click Participant Privileges for additional controls. This opens up a second set of options. Under Allow for all attendees, you can decide if participants can view the participant list, share content, use remote control, annotate on shared screens, or start Slido, which is polling and Q&A. These are powerful settings. For example, if you're presenting sensitive data, you might want to disable remote control so no one accidentally takes over your screen. Once you've configured everything to your liking, close the panel. And here's the really nice part. Your changes take effect immediately. No need to restart the meeting or ask people to refresh. If you want to test it, you can ask a participant to try a restricted action. If you disabled video, they won't even see the option to turn their camera on. It's that clean. So here's a quick recap and a tip. By using meeting options and participant privileges, you can control who does what in your meeting. Just remember, these changes only last for the current meeting. If you want them to apply again next time, you'll need to set them up each time. But once you know where to look, it takes about 30 seconds. And that's really all there is to it. Now you can host your Webex meetings with confidence, knowing exactly what your participants can and can't do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.